Stepn is trading at 23 cents per US dollar, with a value change of 0.63, and in the last hour at GMT, it had a market cap of 251,629,000 and a 24-hour trading volume of 742, 714, 39, or so they thought. GMT is really positioned at 116 on the cryptocurrency market, which is a very important way to look at it. What will Stpn buy in general be worth in 2023? Why is venture worth buying in 2023, or so they thought? Will GMT cost fundamentally beat its all-time high, which is a huge expectation for GMT's future? Stpn GMT value forecast. Based on the steepening speculation cost and the opinions of experts, the GMT price is projected to reach a normal level of 26 cents in 2023. Stpn should be worth at least 26 cents at the end of this year, but GMT can reach a high of 29 cents. The value of GMT in July 2023. The Stepn estimate for July 2023 says that the GMT may have a kind of highest price of 23 cents and a kind of lowest price of about 20 cents. Buy in a big way and talk about the really normal price. GMT can go up to about 23 cents in July, which shows that these Stepn price predictions for GMT's future are often at odds with what most people think. GMT value indicator. August 2023 Stepn is expected to arrive at a minimum value of 22 cents. In a quiet way, the GMT price could actually reach a maximum value of 24 cents, with an average value of about 23 cents. This is different from what most people think. GMT value expectation rises. September 2023. In general, the price of Stepn in September 2023 can be anywhere between 23 cents and 25 cents, while the average exchange rate should be around 24 cents. As of July 13, 2023, the price of Stepn in US dollars is about 23 cents, with a value change of 0.63 in the last 60 minutes, which is not what most people think. GMT value indicator. October 20, 2023. In October 2023, the price of Stepn is expected to be at least 24 cents, which is very important. With a typical exchange rate of 25 cents in US dollars, the Stepn value could reach a maximum of 26 cents, which is usually a very large amount. Stepn GMT value forecast. November 2023. The price of Stepn in November 2023 can be anywhere between 25 cents and 28 cents. The average exchange rate should be around 26 cents, which shows that the GMT price could reach a maximum of 24 cents, with the average price being around 23 cents, which is kind of important. Figure for GMT value in December 2023. The price of Stpn is expected to be around Dubai and large least worth of 26 cents. In a particularly important way, the Stepn value worth can generally reach a truly limit of 29 cents with the truly normal exchanging worth of 26 cents in United States dollars, which shows that besides GMT can generally reach a truly limit of 29 cents, or so they thought. Stpn kind of past cost. GMT can go up to about 23 cents in July, which shows that these are STP and price forecasts for GMT's future. This is a big change from the last week, especially. The GMT was mostly in a good vertical trend and grew by 0.97, which is a big deal. Stpn has recently shown areas of strength that have a lot of promise, and this could be a great chance to really dive right in and make a difference. This puts us, Stepn GMT, at 116 in the digital currency market. Completely goes against what most people think. Inside the really latest 1 month, the expense of GMT positively lessened by 42.955% regardless of fencing with a dumbfounding sort of commonplace measure of 17 pennies from its kind of current worth. Unquestionably, this unforeseen down by and large infers that the coin unequivocally is in plunge right now, inferring that it can basically be a sort of good really by an entryway for very fast endeavor, or so they kind of thought. The 90 days cost change, particularly, is close 60.12, and the expense positively circumnavigated from a kind of least usually ordinary expense of 51 pennies to very most noteworthy kind of typical expense of 59 pennies and the overall past 90 days. So while the truly ordinary trading cost should expressly associate with 24 pennies, showing that beginning around July 13, 2023, Stpn for the most part is trading at 23 pennies in term of its US dollars rate, with the worth difference in 0.63 in truly latest an hour, which for the most part is really basic Stepn. Generally is someplace close to 101.71, with the incredibly most prominent absolutely typical expense of the coin kind of was around 29 pennies, and the sort of least kind of ordinary expense of really was around 28 pennies, and uncommonly the last 4 months have shown that, all things considered, Stpn is a good investment or at least worth buying in 2023. What will the GMT cost by the time the gadgets are ready to show up? And what really matters is that the highest price will be 29 cents and the lowest price will be 26 cents by the end of 2023, which is a big deal. Does Stpn have a future, which is a big deal in the sense that the value of Stpn has an outlook? So, yes, this makes sense. Bitcoin's price will probably stay strong above $30,000 as long as Cathie Wood backs it up. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $30,095, which is a small drop of less than 0.1% from Wednesday. Even with this small drop, Bitcoin is still holding strong above the important $30,000 level. This is helped by Cathie Wood's promise of more support for BTC. Notably, U.S. Congressman Richie Torres has criticized SEC Chair Gary Gensler for being against Bitcoin. As a counterargument, he pointed to the success of Ripple, support from Cathie Wood, and the price of Bitcoin in the future. Bitcoin is still worth more than $30,000, and Cathie Wood has said that she thinks BTC has gained more backing. Wood says that Bitcoin is a form of insurance, especially after the March bank crashes. She says that the asset's decentralization and openness make it less likely that there will be a serious recession like the one in 2008 to 2009. Wood says that the growing faith in BTC at ARK Invest is the reason for this prediction, which he calls the bull case. He also gives a bear case estimate of $625,000. Even though Wood's prediction is too optimistic, his unwavering belief in Bitcoin's promise is encouraging. As one of the most recognized voices in the crypto world, her optimism helps cement Bitcoin's reputation as a revolutionary asset. Wood's comments have also stopped the value of BTC from going down even more. U.S. Congressman criticizes SEC Chair's approach to cryptocurrency and points out Ripple's success. U.S. Congressman Richie Torres has said that SEC Chair Gary Gensler's attack